I'm doing a water change on this 10-gallon. This is the one I have up by my desk. And I took out a lot of plants because it's really getting too thick. I have 5 glow light tetras in this tank. That's all that's in here. And snails, I guess. But really growing. So, and this is with the CO2 going into the intake of the hang-on back. So I get good dispersion that way too of CO2. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you. It's a little overgrown, but the tank looks healthy. Thanks for watching.